crap, guys. So that little clip was before the baffles are out, and that actually hurt my ears. So this is going to be insane. So hopefully the next clip is the baffles out. So we'll see you in a sec.
Oh yeah.
So you can just line it up once you're in.
Does that fit in between? Do these two go in between?
No, it's this side. Yeah.
They're both this side.
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. Right guys, what we're going to do, we're just going to start it up without the end can on just to see what it sounds like. This is going to be insane, I'm sure. It is as easy as that. Oh my God. Right, guys, so my friend Tom has just removed his baffle.
With my fingers.
And yeah, it is very, very sick. I mean, look at the state of that. This is actually a new bike. So how old is this?
2 months old.
This is 2 months old, this bike, and look at it already. Look at the soot on that. It's incredible. But yeah, look down there. So we've got the end can. Just looking down the end there. Look at that. So that is the baffle removed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to assemble this back together, and we're going to show you what it sounds like. Okay, so we've removed the baffles now, so we're just going to give you a demo of what it sounds like with the baffles out. Right, what we're going to do now is we're just going to go out onto the road somewhere. We're going to go and find a country road, and we're going to do some flybys. So we're going to give you the whole tour. Okay, so just so you know, what we've done is this little Allen key at the back here is all you need to do to remove the baffle out. That's all that's holding it on, but you do need to remove the end can. So all it is involved is to remove 2 springs, this one and there's one on the other side. A screwdriver just allowed us to pick it off. That is quite a tough spring though, so you're going to need a bit of weddy behind that. And then this, we've got a 12mm and a 13mm bolt. You remove these, and then you literally just slide the end can off, and then you hold it at a position so you don't lose the Allen key bolt. Although we actually did drop the bolt into the exhaust end can. So all you do is you have to just tip it upside down if that happens, and it will just drop out the hole eventually if you just got to line it up. But so that's the only thing that we've encountered that we kind of screwed up on. However, apart from that, we've got the end can back on, we've put the springs back on, 12 and 13mm bolt back on, and we've started up, and that is literally all there is to it. So if you're looking to fit an Akrapovic exhaust and you want to remove the baffle, that is how you do it. We are now going to go and do some flybys so we can show you what that sounds like. Okay, so we've come to this country road just so we're not around any houses or any horses or anything like that. Just to do these flybys. Yeah, as you'll probably hear, hopefully it's come out on camera okay, but as you probably hear, that it is insanely loud. Hope you found this video useful, and hopefully the camera has picked it out okay. But until the next time, I'll catch you again very soon. Cheers.